Hello, since I'm charging this car battery, I figure this would be a good time to explain how the motor control is going to work. These are some switches that are meant to be hooked up to car batteries up to 120 volts and 20 amps, if I'm reading the label right. And this is a double throw, or a double pole switch, 3 positions, so you've got on, off, and on. And what that does is it's sort of like having 2 switches mushed in next to each other. And now each of these are separate in a line. So what happens is you put in positive energy, or the positive lead from the battery into this common, which are the center guys here. You put it to this position. It connects the positive terminal of the battery to this positive wire to the motor. And likewise, it connects the negative terminal of the battery to the quote-unquote negative terminal of the motor, making it turn in one direction. But then you flip the switch the other way, and it does the exact opposite. So it connects the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal of the motor, and then connects the negative terminal of the battery to the positive end of the motor. And to accomplish that, I just have a wire leading from one and sort of swapping them around. So it's sort of like a manual H-bridge. And by switching polarities, you can change the direction of the motor. I'm waiting till the battery is charged up so I can actually experiment with that on the motor itself. The plan is to connect a sort of large foot pad to this switch out of a 3D print. You can see I've already got a sort of switch already to prove the tolerances, and use that to power the steering motor, which will probably be a linear actuator, and a hip rotation motor. I'm not sure if I'll be actually using a motor or not. I still have to do some experimentation with the torso to figure out if it is indeed feasible to use a foot pedal, manual foot pedal, to rotate the torso. But until then, I guess I will see you next time. Bye-bye.